Okay, so I have on zero makeup. I'm going to show you how to use the Yar Roller. I just washed my face. There's no moisturizer whatsoever, anything, nothing on my skin. So going to just grab this and I'm going to go right for 11 lines. Do like an X. Do not press. All you do is make a star or an X. All you have to do is just gently roll it. And you can see it's drawing the blood up to the surface of the skin. I'm going to do outer. Obviously, I would do it probably a few more passes. I can't really see. I'm not a professional YouTuber, so I can't really see where I'm working. You can even do under your eyes. Be very, very careful. You always want to go for an X. I'm having thyroid issues, so please disregard my neck. There are a lot of lumps under there. Just hope for the best for me, okay? Smile lines. Marionette. X them out. Make a star. I do even right on the lips. Because it's collagen induction, right? You want to get the collagen moving. What is going to do better for your skin than your own body? So your body rushes to repair these sites. Ideally, you do this last. You can do your neck, even if you do have a bunch of lumps inside there. Go right across it. It feels kind of weird. It's not, you want to do on the jawline, always making an X or a star. Want to always, you just, again, I cannot stress this enough. You're just rolling it. You're not pressing at all. Oh, look I made tracks on my forehead. I'm going to smooth them out. Go across, cross, X. This is very easy. There's nothing to be afraid of. It even helps hair grow. So if you're having issues with your eyebrows and stuff, just roll on them. After this, we're going to apply high rows with copper peptides. So it's a really beautiful system. Too bad I can't roll out thyroid lumps. And now today, my skin is going to look probably a little bit red or something. So I'm only going to do this on a weekend, probably at night, just before I go to bed. But, you know, it's basically just roll. You can do the backs of your hands. X, X, X. It's very easy. It's very easy. There's nothing to be afraid of. It's a wonderful thing. It's going to be easy to clean. Just put it right back into this for 10 minutes. This is a rubbing alcohol in a glass. It's that simple, really. Just put it in there. I soaked it about 10 minutes before using. I soak it 10 minutes after using. Then I'm going to put it back into, I'm going to shake it off a little, put it back into its little cradle, let it dry, and then replace the cover. And it'll be ready to go again. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, I'm not a professional at making videos. I just know that this can be intimidating, and it can also be a big game changer for your skin. So I want you to incorporate this into your skincare routine. Okay. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Talk to you next time.